Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about how to fix error code 403 on Roblox. Now, before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. First thing you have to do is you have to make sure your Roblox app is closed off properly. To do that, what you want to do is you right click on your toolbar and click Task Manager. You can also click Ctrl Alt Delete and it'll come up as well. Now here under the task manager, you want to make sure your Roblox player is turned off. So right now it's already turned off for me. So what you want to do is if you find Roblox here, you want to right click it and click End Task. And then you will close it off. And then what you want to do is you have to delete all files pertaining to Roblox. To do this, what you want to do is you click the search bar on the toolbar here and you click Run, or you can simply click Windows key and R key on the keyboard and open it up as well. And then on the open source here, you want to click %local app data % and then hit OK. And here you want to find the Roblox folder. You click R and then you will find Roblox folder easily. And then what you want to do is you want to click delete. And after you completely delete off Roblox from your PC, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you don't have any VPNs running on your PC. To do that, you want to right click the Windows button on the toolbar and then you want to go to Settings. Once you get to Settings, on the search bar under the settings, you can simply just type VPN and then you'll find VPN settings. It'll basically be under network and internet. Once you find the VPN settings under VPN connections here, if you already have a VPN enabled, it will basically pop up here. And if you don't worry about it. But if you have, what you want to do is you want to remove those VPN. Once that's done, the next thing you want to do is you reinstall Roblox. To do this, what you want to do is you go to your browser and you type in roblox.com on the search bar, and then you'll get to the home page here. And then you basically select a game that you are playing. It doesn't have to be the game you're exactly playing. It could be any game you want to play. And then you click on that game. And once you hit the play button, you will get a prompt to install Roblox Player. And here it will say download and install Roblox. Then what you want to do is you follow those steps and you download Roblox to your PC again. And once you successfully download and install Roblox Player to your computer again, and the next thing you want to do is you make sure your Windows Firewall has allowed the app to run. And to check that, what you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then you type in Firewall. Once you type in Firewall, there will be a settings called Firewall and Network Protection. What you want to do is you click that and then click Allow an app through Firewall. And here what you want to do is you click Change Settings. Make sure you have admin permission in order to change settings. So once you click Change Settings, it'll basically open up. And here what you want to do is you want to find Roblox and you have to make sure that the private and public categories are all ticked in. Once you make sure they're both ticked in, you want to click OK, and that's pretty much it. It should basically fix the error code 403 on Roblox. If all of that is not working, then it has to be a server issue with Roblox itself. And to make sure there's no server issue, what you want to do is you want to type in status.roblox.com on your search bar on your browser. And then you get to the page like this where it basically says all systems operational. So if there was a system error or like a server error with Roblox, it'll basically notify you here. So according to this, at the moment, there are no server issues. So you can make sure that the 403 error code is completely gone. So that's pretty much it. I hope this helps you guys. Thank you for watching.